Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is club time. That means it's the first of the month. That means another month has passed. Wait, whoa, okay, anyway. Stamp It Die Hard Club members, I'm going to show you the new goodies. However, just a heads up, 7-Up, freebie time. Yes, this month is my birthday month, and so I am celebrating, and it means you get a freebie. Yay! Can't go wrong with freebies, right? Why? Why do we do freebies? Every couple of months I like to give out freebies. Why? Because I designed a club, or a couple clubs now, that I would want to be in. I love getting Happy Mail. But when I get Happy Mail and free stuff, even better, right? So that's why we do freebies. And I'm not going to show you the freebie because the fan page on Facebook loves to wait to find out later. Here we go. This is the new stamp set. It is called Aprons. Awesome Aprons. Technically, it's supposed to be called Awesome Aprons. And what do we have here? We have a female type apron and we have a regular apron. So the regular could be for either one. We also have a big pocket, we have a little pocket, and we have a cute little girly pocket. We have lots of set words here. Now, when you see the apron, I don't want you to only think cooking. It goes way beyond that. Way beyond. Because, here we go. I've got you covered. If you need to help somebody out, you tell them, I got you covered, don't worry. Wishing you a happy birthday. Look at how cute. Kiss the cook. Sending you a recipe for a brighter day, if somebody's having a rough day. Let's cook up some fun. Sending you a warm hug. Get it? Because baking, warm, hug. Cool, right? Now, this is my Stamp Club members. My Stamp Club members are getting this sent automatically each month. My Stamp Club members pay $13.99 a month. They get a brand new stamp set sent to them each month, and they get 15% off my entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. They get to access to the online bundles that we do on the first of the month for club members. They get to get freebies every couple months, including this month. And on their anniversary month, they get a $15 gift certificate to my website as a thank you. Pretty awesome, right? $13.99 a month, and that includes the brand new stamp set. Photopolymer stamps. Yes. Now, lots of people love the Stamp Club, but our most popular club is the Die Hard Club. That's the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but dun, 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 dies that match. Dies that match. Because, let me tell you, my friends, a lot of people love the stamps, but they say, no way, Jose, am I going to cut that stuff out. There we go. Boom, we added the dies. This is the Die Hard Club. Both clubs this month are gonna get that freebie. That's attached right here. See, you can see that little freebie sticker, I'm not gonna show it to you. Now, stamps and dies. I also include, there are 10 dies in here. I know it doesn't look like 10. There are 10. They layered them so you can't see all of them. But I also threw in a little spatula and a little whisk. You don't have that in your stamp set. Go check out the add-on sets, but I wanted you to have some extra pieces just in case. So go check those out. Now let's look at some samples, but you also need to go look at the add-ons because you're gonna fall over. Are you ready? Get set. Look at how cute this is for a wedding card. Isn't that adorable? Mr. and Mrs. Best wishes. Isn't that sweet? I love that. Oh, look at this one. Again, not for cooking this time. This one's for sewing. Sewing. Look at that. You are so fun. I love it. That also uses the sewing machine to stamp dies and the stitches to stamp. And our grid die. One of our grid dies. Look at how awesome that is. I love it. Ooh, here's a pretty one. Wishing you a happy birthday. Look at the little whisks and the spatulas in there. I absolutely love that. Ooh, here's a cute one. Oh, this one's a sneak peek for the bundle because look at that stenciling in the back. Ding, ding, ding. Look how cute. Let's cook up some fun. Here's another one. Let's cook up some fun. Love it. This is on an A1 card. This is a 4x4 card. Lots of options on different sizes, my friends. So cute. Oh, and here's a cute one. Wishing you a happy birthday. Now, I have lots more samples in my next video. Go make sure you check it out. That's the bundle video. It's going to show you all of the new items that are being released on the first 24 hours. They are on, you said it, flash sale. Yay, flash sales are the best. Now, go check out our bundle. This month, I'm doing something different. This month, for bundle purchases, purchasers, people that buy it, people that buy the bundle are going to get a freebie download. Yes, go check out that video because I want you to go see it, but a freebie download, $8 value. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.